If you aren't familiar with the demon Lilith, check out our YouTube exorcism channel, or read my book Jezebel, which has a whole chapter on Lilith. The concept of this demon Lilith goes back to occult, kabbalistic Jewish mysticism, which teaches that the true wife of Adam was actually Lilith, not Eve, and that Lilith was supplanted from her position by Eve, who sexually seduced Adam. Thus, Lilith is the true mother of humanity, and it's very much like the idea of Satanists, who believe that Lucifer was unjustly ejected from heaven, and through demon worship he must be put back on his throne, as Lilith must be put back to her rightful place. This demon Lilith is one of the most powerful evil spirits that I deal with. And the intensity and the increase in the power of this demon is getting greater these days. The numbers of cases of Lilith is rapidly increasing. In fact, this particular blog was prompted as a result of my dealing with the demon Lilith in virtual encounters every day this past week. Why so suddenly has this demon risen to prominence? You need look no further than the recent presidential election. For 4 years, America's had the most pro-life president in the history of this country, but no more, and that's about to undergo a seismic change. I want to read to you from the actual party platform, the Democratic Party, 2020. Democrats believe every woman should be able to access high-quality reproductive health care services, including safe and legal abortion. We oppose and will fight to overturn federal and state laws that create barriers to women's reproductive health and rights, read that abortion, including the repealing of the Hyde Amendment and protecting and codifying the right to reproductive freedom. Let me interpret this for you. This means abortion on demand, any reason, any time, up to birth, paid for by the taxpayers. Now, the Hyde Amendment has been in place as a result of Congressman Henry Hyde, and it currently restricts the use of federal funds for abortion. They want to get rid of that. Plus, that word codify, here's what it means. They're not content to let abortion be the result of a Supreme Court decision. They want to legislate it and make it the law of the land, federally funded. About 81 million Americans voted for this party platform and Joe Biden. In 1 Samuel 8:6, it talks about how Israel wanted a king. And they got a king. It didn't go so well after that. Read verses 11 through 18 to see how that all turned out. Joe Biden is Catholic. He was raised with an ethic regarding the sanctity of life. Pray that God will change his heart. He knows better, and that he will oppose his own party's platform. In the meantime, every pro-life person, Republican and Democrat, we've got to take a stand regarding the sanctity of life. Abortion is the blood sacrifice and slaughter of the innocent. To the demon god Moloch, who receives these sacrifices on behalf of Lilith. Only aggressive spiritual warfare, the kind that we teach in our International School of Exorcism, is going to back down the demon Lilith.
Your financial support and prayers make it possible for us to bring hope for the hurting and freedom to those in spiritual bondage. For the latest information regarding ministry outreaches, go to boblarson.org or call 303-980-1511.